from hidden patterns to everyday insight. For decades, marketing and social science tried to understand people through the same lens: surveys, focus groups, interviews. They gave us answers, but most of those answers floated on the surface. We trusted the data, but not everything we value can be measured that way.
Would you buy this product again? On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you agree?
Questions like these shaped billion-dollar decisions, yet they often produced averages, not insights. We learned to study behavior, but what we really wanted was to understand thought. Beneath every response lies something more complex: the logic of human thought itself. But for years, that logic was invisible. Then came a scientist named Howard Moskowitz. He asked a different question: not what people like, but why they like it.
We were looking for the perfect product, but there isn't one. There are many perfect products, each for a different mind.
Wait, you mean there's not one perfect sauce?
Exactly. It wasn't just clever marketing. It was science finding the patterns behind preference. Mind Genomics showed there's no single best product, only different mindsets. Flavor, comfort, adventure, curiosity, each tells its own story of decision.
When you understand these mindsets, you stop chasing averages and start designing for people.
What began in the grocery aisle moved into healthcare, education, finance, anywhere humans make choices. Mind Genomics became a way to map the architecture of everyday thinking.
It's not about food, it's about the human mind. Once you see that pattern, you can apply it anywhere.
It's a framework for empathy, a structured way to see people as they really are. For years, this science lived behind closed doors, powerful but distant. Then came BimiLeap.
Welcome to BimiLeap, the platform that makes Mind Genomics available to everyone.
BimiLeap turns the rigorous methods of Mind Genomics into a guided, accessible experience. You don't need a lab, just curiosity and a good question.
BimiLeap brings the science home. Anyone, anywhere can now do real mind genomics.
It's the same science, now democratized. Mind Genomics is the foundation. BimiLeap is the bridge. A small business can learn which messages inspire action. An educator can see what drives engagement. A public health team can uncover what builds trust. And now anyone can use Mind Genomics. You can put this powerful science to help you to get a job, to research a company, or develop a product. I thought I was measuring preferences. Turns out I'm mapping never-before-seen mindsets.
That's it. Once you identify these powerful mindsets, you can better understand how the world works, not just the markets.
Every study becomes a window into how people think, interact, and make decisions. For the first time, this powerful tool is available to everyone, everywhere. Mind Genomics helps us see how people really make decisions. Use it to design your next move, to stand out in a crowded job market, to bring new insight into your work, or simply to make your world a better place.